2024 Best 600 Cubic Centimeters Motorcycle for Beginners Kawasaki Ninja ZX-6R. The 2024 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-6R stands as an enticing option for beginners delving into the 600 cubic centimeters motorcycle category, offering a dynamic blend of performance, sporty design, and cutting-edge technology. Renowned for its SUPERSPORT pedigree and track-inspired features, the Ninja ZX-6R provides an exhilarating riding experience for novice riders seeking the thrill of a high-performance middleweight motorcycle. Powering the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-6R is a potent 636 cubic centimeters, liquid-cooled, inline-4 engine. Engineered for spirited performance, this power plant delivers a dynamic power output, making it well-suited for riders eager to explore the capabilities of a supersport motorcycle. The ZX-6R's high-revving engine and responsive throttle ensure an adrenaline-inducing experience, whether carving through city streets or hitting the open road. Design-wise, the ZX-6R exudes a race-ready and aggressive aesthetic, signaling its supersport lineage. The bike features a distinctive front fairing, twin headlights, and a sleek profile that emphasizes aerodynamics and performance. The ZX-6R's design not only communicates its ability to dominate the track but also signifies Kawasaki's commitment to pushing the boundaries of sport bike design. Comfort is a consideration for riders entering the supersport category, and the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-6R leans towards a more focused and sport-oriented riding posture. The aggressive ergonomics, with a forward-leaning stance and higher foot pegs, cater to riders seeking an intense and dynamic experience. While this may be challenging for some beginners, those with a passion for sport-oriented riding will find the ZX-6R an invigorating choice. Handling is a standout feature of the ZX-6R, characterized by its nimble and precise performance. The bike's lightweight chassis, advanced suspension system, and aerodynamic design contribute to exceptional maneuverability. Novice riders will need to approach the ZX-6R with caution, as its sharp handling demands a level of skill and confidence developed over time. Safety features are integrated into the ZX-6R, including advanced braking systems and electronic aids. Anti-lock braking system and #40, ABS and #41, is often included as standard, enhancing rider control and safety, especially during intense riding scenarios. While the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-6R offers an exhilarating supersport experience, its higher power output, aggressive nature, and sport-focused ergonomics may pose challenges for beginners. Additionally, the ZX-6R's price point positions it as a premium option in the 600 cubic centimeters supersport category, making it an investment in a track-ready and high-performance sport bike. In conclusion, the 2024 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-6R is a potent choice for beginners entering the 600 cubic centimeters motorcycle category, particularly for those seeking an intense supersport experience. Its track-inspired performance, aggressive design, and Kawasaki's commitment to cutting-edge technology